We'll guide you through how to change the inverted camera on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, and so you're finding when you're using the camera app that the camera is inverted. We're going to go and show you what we mean by this. Make sure it's full guide and don't skip anything as we're covering important information throughout this guide. So just to go and show you what's currently happening and what we're going to go and change is we're going to open up the camera app like so. Here we are. Let me go and flip it. So I'm going to go and take a photo. And at the moment, you can go and see the camera is in my light is in the top right there. And if I open it up, it's over to the left, as you can see. And I want it to go and be the same. I don't want it to go and be flipped, inverted, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and change this setting. So you may have gone and looked around the camera app as well. If you went and press on the icons in the top right, there's no option for flipping or inverting it here. So to go and change this, we're going to guide you through this. So what you do need to do is come out of the camera app like I've just done there. So to go and change this setting, we actually need to come into the settings app itself. So you can go and find that on the homepage on your iPhone. You can always go and drag down and go and search for settings if you struggle to go and find it. And you then want to go and open it up like so. Now, what you need to do is at the top here, you need to go and scroll down and you need to go and find the option for camera. It shouldn't be far. You can always go and press search at the bottom and go and type in camera as well and go and click on it. Now, what you want to do is you want to go and scroll down and you can come into this section called composition. And in here, you should find the option for mirror front camera. So this will therefore go and flip it. So it's just going to be no longer inverted. It's going to be direct mirror. So now if I go and open up the camera app, I'll flip the camera. I've now taken a photo, and now when I go and open it up, you can go and see it's exactly as it was. That's it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We publish these every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to help you out again. Have a great day, and I'll catch you again soon. Goodbye for now.